Some grandma and grandpa. Wait, you didn't take away this paper because he likes the paper.
What?
This paper, that's it.
Oh, he likes that paper.
I know, but we want him only one paper at a time. This is gonna help.
The ribbon.
Wait, Daddy, wait. So you're messing with the fun part. Daddy just likes to tear into things. He's not very patient, actually.
Daddy's trying to get to bed sometime tonight.
It's only 7:30.
Here is
Ooh!
for the road. Oh, you can drive us nuts with your songs all day.
No, we're going to go for Christmas.
And here's a leaf.
Oh, look!
Hey, what's that? Oh, what is that? Is that more interesting than...
Aww. Wait, turn it on and see what it does.
I don't know, what do? Maybe it needs batteries.
You should be able to turn it on.
Letter spelling, infant, blah, blah, blah.
It needs batteries.
Someone played with it too much at the store.
I guess so. It needs batteries.
So
That's
we'll
alright.
put some batteries
We'll
in.
put batteries. Cute! I think that one's the one that does letters and all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, it's got letters over here. Alright, here's one from, I guess who's this from?
Mima and Papa.
Okay.